Hello students, today we are going to learn a new thing, that is reciprocal, multiplicative inverse. So now what is reciprocal number? Suppose think there is a number, rational number, I am taking 5 by 6, okay? Find another number, okay? This is the number. Now find another number which when multiplied by this number you will get the product is what? 1. That means this number you have to find, that unknown number is called reciprocal of this number. Now tell me that by which number if you multiplied this you will get the value 1. If I write 5 by 6, you can see clearly they can cancel. That means that product is 1. So simple way we can explain that, like this is the number, its reciprocal is what? Ulta. Okay, matlab usually I say that sir niche pair upar, like 5 by 6 is the number, its numerator place number will come in down, that means in denominator place, and denominator place number will come in up, that means in numerator place. So this is the reciprocal of this number. Okay, so that way also we can remember, or simply remember that this is the number, its reciprocal is what? This, pura ulta. Okay, sir niche pair upar. So let's do the worksheet 3. First question, find the reciprocal of first one given minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5, its reciprocal number should be 5 by minus 1. Sir niche pair upar, but you can see denominator is negative, so it is not in the standard form. So we will write multiplied by minus 1 both the number, you will get minus 5 by 1, that means minus 5. So minus 1 by 5, its reciprocal number is minus 5. See student, if we see now that 4, it may be difficult for some of them that how to find the reciprocal of 4. But if you imagine that 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now easily you can find what is the reciprocal of the number 4, that is 4 by 1 can be written as 1 by 4. So reciprocal of minus 2 and minus 19. So you can see both are negative, so we can cancel them. So we will get the number 2 by 19. Now what is the reciprocal of this number? Reciprocal of 2 by 19 you will get equals to 19 by 2. Next it is told 2 number question. Check if the reciprocal of minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3, 3 by 2. So what to do? As I have told you, the number and its reciprocal number, if you multiply them, you will get always 1. It is not minus 1 plus any other number. It is always 1 plus 1. So what to do? Let us check that they have asked this is the number, is the reciprocal of this number is 3 by 2. So what to do? Just multiply them. Okay, so 3 cancel, 2 also cancel, but plus minus minus 1, it not equals to 1. So we can say that therefore no 3 by 2 is not a reciprocal of minus 2 by 3. 3 numbers similar, that check if the reciprocal of minus 1 by 5 is minus 5. Let us check. See, minus 1 by 5 and minus 5. You have to multiply. If you will get the value 1, then we can say that yes, minus 5 is the reciprocal of minus 1 by 5. If you will not get, you have to say no. So minus minus cancel, and 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So 5 also cancels because denominator and that one numerator. So we will get 1. Yes, you can see this is 1. So yes, minus 5 is the reciprocal of minus 1 by 5. Students, question number 4 and question number 5 similar type sum. So I'll do question number 5. This value has been given, so you have to verify that x plus y whole to the power inverse not equals to x inverse plus y inverse. That means we have to verify this. Let us check. So this is left hand side and that one right hand side. So x plus y whole inverse left hand side equals to, now remember student, this is the difference, that here right hand side I am doing this together. Throughout some years I have seen that many of the students made their mistake. They have a confusion on it. So be attentive over there. See, first what I'm doing, the value of x and y I have to put, that is 5/9 plus, and remember this is minus 4/3. So bracket, that means here bracket, then this one inverse. Okay, again see, x value over there, y value over there, whole to the power -1. So I have to put the bracket, then -1, and here x to the power -1, x inverse, that means what is the value of x? 5/9 to the power -1 plus y value, singly y value I have to put this. Now as I have told you, do you remember? Now only I have told, no, x inverse can be written as 1/x, means x inverse denoted its reciprocal number. So now tell me what to do here, that you will write the reciprocal of 5/9? No. This is the part that many of the students made the mistakes. Be careful. First I have to calculate these two rational number, then convert them into a single rational number, because there are in between plus sign, means there are two rational numbers. So first convert them into single rational number, after that only you can convert them into means you can get the reciprocal of a number, because two number together you cannot get the reciprocal number. So what to do? Keep these things in your mind, that two numbers over there, so make them single number, means convert them into a single rational number, then only you have to do the reciprocal. So 9 and 3 LCM is 9. So be careful, this is the part many of the students made the mistake, so be careful. 5 plus minus minus 12/9 inverse. Now minus 7/9 inverse. Now it is a single rational number. Now convert them. So inverse denoted its reciprocal number, मतलब sir नीचे पैर ऊपर. So 9 in the above and minus 7 in the down. So if you write the standard form, so -9/7. It is the value of left hand side. Now do this calculation. Now tell me, within bracket it is a single rational number, so you can definitely convert them into its reciprocal number. So sir नीचे, that means 5, pair ऊपर मतलब 9. Okay, there same, that 3/-4. So if you write this in standard form, it should be -3 plus 4. So 4 and 5 LCM is 20, because co-prime number, so that is 21/20. You can see that there -9/7 and this one 21/20. They are not same. So this we have to write after that verified. Now question number 6, same thing, same type of sum. Verify that this equals to this. Now x and y value has been given, so left hand side again, right hand side you have to compare. Bracket, and you have to put the bracket because into and minus sign. So whole to the power inverse. Now again two rational number. So what to do? Make them into a single rational number. First झमेला हटाओ, minus minus plus, 3 cancel, 2 2s are. That means this is nothing, means 1 over there. So 1/2 to the power -1. So what it is represent, its reciprocal number you have to write. So that means 2/1 equals to 2. Now this side -2/3 whole to the power -1 into -3/4 whole to the power -1. So what to do? See, this is a single rational number, so you can convert them into its reciprocal number. This denoted -1 denoted its reciprocal. Sir नीचे पैर ऊपर. So that 3/-2 into 4/-3. Now you can see minus minus cancel, झमेला हटाओ. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3. So 2. So here is also 2. There right hand side also 2. So LHS equals to RHS, verified. So now question number 7, that fill in the blanks. The number dash has no reciprocal. In the introduction I have told you, now only in this video, in the beginning of the video I have told you that which number has no reciprocal? 0. So answer should be 0. Next question number 2, dash and dash has their own reciprocal. I had told you now that one reciprocal number is what? 1. Another number over there, that is minus 1. Minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1. So its reciprocal number, what to write? 1 by minus 1. If you write this in the standard form, that is again minus 1 coming. So 1 and minus 1, these two are the number whose reciprocal is the number itself. So remember this thing. If A is the reciprocal of B, then B is the reciprocal of the number A. See, 5 by 6, its reciprocal is 6 by 5. So that there, this side also we can say that 6 by 5 reciprocal number is what? 5 by 6. So if A is the reciprocal of B, then B is the reciprocal of A. That 11 into 5 whole to the power inverse, that equals to 11 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power minus 1. This number I have to write over here. Okay. Next, minus 1 by 8, 1. So definitely minus 1 by 8 reciprocal number we have to write, that is 8 by minus 1, that can be written as minus 8. So minus 8 is the answer. Next 6 number question, again same, that its reciprocal number you have to write because their product gives always 1. So but student, be careful, here the number is in mixed fraction. So first convert it into improper fraction. So 5 3 is a 15, that means 16 by 3. So its reciprocal number what to write? That 3 by minus 16. That standard form is what? Minus 3 by 16. So minus 3 by 16 is the number. Be careful here that its reciprocal number you have to write over there. So minus 3 by 16 is the number. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you enjoy this video, please share with your friends, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And तब तक के लिए goodbye.